Right everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're on a beautiful Monday morning, back on the renovation, and today we've got to wall in the steels that we put up last episode down there. Already got the bricks, muck mixed up and tower set up, so yeah, we'll get down there and chuck it all in. Right, so this is what we're working with. Where the top of the steel is, everything up can all be common brickwork, but anything below the steel we'll just have to chop a couple stones in. So we've got a little bit over there to do, and I think everything else is pretty straightforward brickwork up, picking up the existing. So yeah, we'll get cracked on. So that's it, all of the brick infills are done. So we managed to get all the acros down. And you may have noticed the carpenter came and done the timber infills as stated on the plan. So obviously brickwork sorted there. The other side, and we got this alternating sort of corner here, just so the bricks are tied in with good strength. Then we got it here as well. We put a stump in this side and a stump underneath this corner, because when that comes out there will be facing stone going in, because above the padstone, well, padstone height across to the existing soffit, the new one will be put in, so everything above won't get seen. And obviously, well, we've tidied in these two sections here. So just a quick update inside. The carpenter's done the, well, pretty much sorted all the stud work. So all the infill at the top here is sorted, all the rooms, the bathroom and the sort of laundry areas marked out. So yeah, tomorrow I will be in the other room doing some floor vents, so I don't know how much of that will get recorded, but yeah, I'll update you on how that goes. See you tomorrow. Right, so it's Friday morning. Had a bit of a gappy week, to be honest, as well, this is the driest day really. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was a bit wet, so we've just been cracking on down here. Been chasing out stonework, ready for window frames to sit in. But today, put 2 shutters up and get the strip concreted, so looking good. And in here the insulators cracked right on. I got all the walls sorted and all the roof sorted, so yeah, that's looking all good. Right, so the shutters are all in, and just set out the rebate sections for the drainage pipe that goes through. There will be another batten going on top, because we had to just raise it up, and that will in fact hold the drainage pipe in. So I've just gone through, cut a bunch of stumps which will set them on the shutter and they'll screw into the tarmac. So I'll do that all along, and chuck down some sand blinding just to level it all out. And yeah, so fortunately we don't need any polythene, underneath this bottom, because well, we were going to put it in, but the engineer's spec says they want the polythene on top, insulation, more polythene, then screed. So yeah, makes it a bit easier on me because I'm gonna hold it around these corners. But yeah, if he doesn't want it, he won't get it. And that is the shuttering all set up. So just tapped on the batten to raise it that extra bit, because the levels didn't quite work out with the drainage pipes, and we want at least a 25mm covering just so these pipes are set in. So now this has gone from 150 to a 175 slab. So yeah, there's no mesh needed because it's not taking a weight. All it is a walkway from there to there, so there will be insulation, screed, and then the flooring going on top, which will then build up closer to this mark here. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, the engineer didn't want any polythene in there because there's already a vapor barrier and another membrane going on the insulation and then underneath the screed. So yeah, we'll get everything packed away and ready for the truck to turn up. Right, so as you can see, that section is all going off already. It's got a nice smooth finish on the slab. See, the good thing is you've got a mag, just brings all of that to the top and lets you get it in nice and smooth, which is ideal. So obviously we're still below the damp course, so there's no infringement on the blockwork structure. So yeah, and we are still below the threshold. So yeah, it's the last little section here, and yeah, pretty much all done. And there we go.